In Excel, we have functions and formulas. Formulas in a cell always starts with an equal sign. So if I click on this cell and I enter the equal sign, Excel knows now there is a formula, now there is something to calculate. The easy way to do it is to simply enter constants and signs for calculation. Like, for example, I could say 2 plus 13 plus 20, and I get the result 35. It's always important to understand that in the cell the result is displayed, the 35. However, in the formula bar, if you click on the cell, then the background, the formula is shown. This kind of formula is a little bit boring. It's more fun to make a formula which is based on other cells. So I could, for example, say I would like to add this cell plus or multiply it with this cell, and you get the result 989. And if I change something in here, I make it a 10, then you can easily see now it's 10 times 43, it's 430, which is displayed as well. So these kind of cells are, these kind of formulas are much more of interest. And of course you can do combinations. So you could say, for example, equal 12 plus the content of this cell, and you get the result as expected. Now, Excel offers a lot of predefined functions. They call it formulas, but actually it's more a function. So for example, I could say equal sign sum, and you see some predefined functions are offered. I'll take the sum because I would like to sum up this range, and I'll get the result. And to know which kind of predefined functions exist and how you can combine them, that's part of this course. You can see in this formula fields that there are lots of functions. There's not only functions to calculate numbers, but there's functions to calculate text or date and time, or look up in small tables, databases, things like that. And the functions can become more complex as well. You have here what is called a parameter, or one argument, a range from C3 to C5, but there is functions which require 4, 5, 6 arguments to really make sure what is expected. And of course you can combine and nest functions. And in the end, you can combine all these things I just shown. I could, for example, say I would like to have some of this plus a constant times these 45 plus another cell, and you'll get the result.